Okay, hello. My name is Leo FN Kekula. I'm going to be teaching you how to integrate into Excel. Assuming we already have the Excel open, the window is already open with Excel, and you have the student's name like this here. The grade roster sent to you by your administration, and the grade roster you want to input the grade in there. So you have attendance, assignment, classwork, quiz 1, quiz 2, test, maybe extra evaluation, like makeup. Then you have final grade, first marking period. And the class having to be like, for example, 12C, 12C, name of students, for example. So you have those students' name there, and you want to enter the grade. And you have the uh, rough grade, you have the rough grade. You want to enter score of students from classwork, and also score of students from maybe quizzes. You have these points that you want to enter into the Excel. So this is just an example of, we don't have to focus on the student name and that of the grade that you see here, but it's an example how you enter the digit, the number, into Excel. So firstly, this cursor you see here blinking, this cursor, if you carry in a particular box and click, you just click. How do you do that? You click, say we have this error, I just come and click, and locking it like this, click. Okay, so I have this, do the right click, you have right click, you have left click. So I come like this, the cursor is already there on the screen. It's already there on the screen. I come into the box, and then I click either by touching, either by knocking this knock, or by touching this then it will be highlighted in the rectangular or square box. And once it is highlighted, then I come here, I can press up, down, this I press here, or I press this. When I press down, it's going to come down. It's going to come down. And when I press right, and you're gonna see it's going to go right. That means you can go from quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3, or whatever test, and you can also go by left and right. So these four, up, left, right, down, up, make controls of this and make use of that. So say I have the attendance and the student got on the sheet here. I have the student got 4 points for attendance. So I'm going to press 4. So I keep my hand there and press 4. Keep my hand there and press 4. And 4 automatically appear there. Then I hold it across the pipe. I don't have to, I just keep a different area, but this is highlighted. So I'm going to press this again to go on the right side. So I press this and go on the right side. It will remove from there for assignment grade to be entered. And looking at the sheet, the student got assignment got 3/5. So I press 3. I come here to press 3. Press 3. Press 3. Then I come by here and press the right side, so that when I press the right side, it will be from assignment go to classwork. And it says student on the classwork, they got 6 points out of 10. So I'm going to number 6 to enter 6 in the classwork position. I carry my hand, I press 6. I press 6 and pressing 6 enter in the classwork position. So then I press the right again. It goes to quiz 1 position. The student got 7 or 10, and then I enter 7. I press 7. Look for 7 there, and I press 7. There's 7, and press 7. and then you see there in the quiz 1 position, the 7 is entered there. Then I want to go to quiz 2 position to get a student grade, so I'll come back here and press the right side again, and then it goes to quiz 2 position. Then the student quiz 2, they got 4 points. So I go to number 4, I enter 4, and the student got 4, I enter the 4. It leaves from there, and then student, the test, they got 37. So on the test, the student got 37 out of 40. Then I come and press 3 and 7. That's 37. So in that pass, 3 number can enter there. So it goes on like that, assuming the student did not do makeup. So just that. So other students, you want to enter their grade, you also come down, you click like this. If you don't want to do that, you were on the 37, and you don't want to bring the cursor like this here to click here, and it will automatically come there. You can cross it anywhere it is, it will go there and for number to be entered. And just like that. But if you are in the 37 position, you don't want to carry the cursor there. You don't want to drag. Yes, it will help you to drag the cursor. From the 37 on the test position to carry in the position. You can keep the cursor to other part of the field. Then you come, you press the down button, down. This is the right button you've been using, but press the down button this come around. Look at the 37, press the down button, you press the down button, then press the left button to go left side because you want to go to the next student attendance grade. So keep pressing the left, press the left, press the left, press the left, keep pressing the left. This is the right, left, keep pressing the left, and then as you pressing the left, it will go to the next student attendance grade. And this other student got 4 points for attendance. So you go to number 4 and press 4, and you see that the student 4 has been entered. Then you press the right button again, the same way you did. The student got 4/5 for assignment. You press a 4, and then you keep going. That same way the student got 7 for classwork, and then you go for 7. But assuming you wanted to press 7 and you made a mistake, you press 8. See there? The student got 7, but you enter 8. What will you do? Okay, so what you're going to do here is there is a button here that they call backspace. This is the backspace. Press the backspace. When you press the backspace, this is the backspace, go backspace here, and go back to the number you see is the 8. So when you press backspace, the 8 will disappear. Leave there until you enter the number that you decide to enter, 7. So you go back for 7, you press 7, and 7 goes back there. And then you keep going for the right side to go to the right side to to leave from the classwork position to go to the quiz 1 position. So it goes to quiz 1 position. The quiz 1, the student got 6. So you press 6. You press 6 there. And quiz 2, the student got 5. And you press 5 there. And the test, the student got 28. And then you press 2/8. Press 2/8. And then you see that the student got this. So this is how you enter grades into Excel, where you already have the cloud roster set. But keep following me, like and share. I'm Leo FN Kekula. Don't forget, hit the like button and also the notification button. Also hit it. Then you can be notified of the next video that I will upload. There are several things that you need to learn here. We're going to be doing bit by bit. And there are a whole lot of things how you can do other work in here concerning the report and statistics. Thank you so much. Keep following.